Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be doing a DIY, and I know we have not did DIYs in a minute on this channel so much, but has a lot going on. As you can see, before I bought a house, my sister is in the process of buying her house. So we do have a lot of DIYs coming our way. The weather is getting better, it's the summer and all that stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little DIY that's really simple. And yeah, let's go. This DIY is really simple. I just came from Dollar Tree and seen that they had some Avenger wall decals, and so I wanted to make sure that I grabbed them. So it did these look a little different. I really like the way that these look, but they are authentic Marvel Avenger wall decals and for $1. So I picked up 4 of them because I didn't know how many I would need. And if I have too many, then I'll go ahead and just put them on my son's wall. So if you guys remember, in one of my Dollar Tree DIYs, I picked up these canvases. From Dollar Tree, and this one has 2 in the pack. They're 5x7, so I have 2 packs of these with 2 in the pack. Then I have a larger canvas that is 8x10, and I got 2 of these, and they are one in their piece. So I'm going to use these, and I'm going to make some canvas wall art for KJ's room. It's really simple. The only thing that we are going to do is to take our wall decals and we're going to peel them and place them on the canvases. And you can arrange them any way you want to. So I'm just gonna stick them like anywhere on the canvas. This is what I did with the first one. Hey, yeah, this is the finished product. I think they turned out really nice. from far away you can't tell that it's decals, but who cares anyway. It's from Dollar Tree and it looks like the real deal, like I bought it from the store. So if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please continue to watch our videos. Until next time for another DIY, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.